So now I'll be showing you how to use the speaker mode. Tap on the menu bar on the top left corners and click on speaker mode. I will be speaking English and Yuta will be speaking Japanese. You could touch the sensor on the earbuds to activate the voice recognition, or you can also touch the screen here. So for this time, I'll be touching the sensor. Excuse me, do you know if there's a delicious restaurant nearby?
近くに美味しいレストランがあるか知っていますか？
この道をまっすぐ行ったところに美味しいフレンチ料理屋さんがあります。
Have you tried before?
以前に試したことはありますか？
私はありませんが、私の友達が行ったことがあり、とても評判がいいと言っていました。
So when the Japanese translation was playing in my ears, it's actually playing also in the earbuds. So you can definitely see that. So that's it for the speaker mode.